We're going to be doing a hair review today of the 18-inch body wave by Megalooks. It definitely is high quality hair. I've straightened it, so that's why it's not like the body wave, but the body wave actually was like very nice. There's so much just like movement and I love it. It's great. This is my very first wig that I've ever gotten, like ever. So I was definitely very pleased with this purchase. It was $104 on ALIEXPRESS, and I don't have it laid down or anything right now. So this is just like how it looks, like just like this, with not laying it down. I will wear like sometimes a headband, like right here, just to cover the lace. But this is what it looks like up close, the lace. I'm not sure how well you can see it. It is a little dingy because I have worn it for like 2 weeks straight just to like really get like a feel of the hair and like whether this was something that I wanted to talk about on my channel. And I definitely would like recommend it. It took heat very, very well. It's not damaged at all. And it held the straight in pretty decently. It is a little like wavy now because it's the end of the day, but it definitely did like hold up like to the heat. I think I put it up to like 310, I want to say it was at 375, one of those. And it took to it really well. It didn't burn. There was no stinky like burnt hair smell. It straightened really, really nicely and held the flat iron really nicely. There's a lot of body. It definitely is true to size. It looks like it's a lot longer on me, but that's mostly because I'm literally a midget and 5'1". So it looks like it's probably maybe like 20 or so, but it's not. I'm just short. But overall, the hair was really, really nice. Delivery, I want to say that it took like maybe 4 or 5 days for this hair to get to me. 4 or 5 days I want to say it took to get to me, which I wasn't honestly expecting, especially for AliExpress. I expected this to take so much longer. And it came really fast. I was expecting like wish time, like 2 weeks to a month if I ever got it. But the shedding is very minimal on it as well, and shipping was very quick. It came with this, and it's basically like if you make a YouTube video, you'll get $20 back. If you make an Instagram post, you'll get $15, and you could win a free wig for recommending friends and those sorts of things. And they also have an option to become an ambassador with them, and I felt like that was really, really good. They have their number here on the back, and they were very communicative with me about like if anything was gonna take too long or anything. Like they're like, oh, it's processing, and then they messaged me the next day, still processing, but you will be getting your order. Like definitely made sure that I knew like I was going to get the product that I paid $104 for. I would definitely 10 out of 10 purchase from this company again. I'd probably get like a little bit of a shorter wig next time and maybe get it like curly and see how it looks like with like a kinky kind of curl and not so much like a body wave curl. But overall, I'm very satisfied with this hair. Definitely would give it a, I want to say 7, 8 out of 10. The shedding isn't bad at all, but the hair in the front did kind of start to come out, like yeah, the hair in the front started to come out a little bit, but I think part of it was because I wasn't taking care of it correctly and was brushing it with like a regular brush. So I think that could have even been like on me. So honestly, I'd probably give it like an 8, aside from like the front shedding really quickly and like my part kind of falling apart a little bit in the front there. Looking a little bald in the front of my part. But it also came with 2 stocking caps. It came with this brush as well that I've obviously used a lot. Also came with this hair, like this thing to like help with stray hairs and stuff and make it like lay down flat. So I thought that that was really nice. It came with both of those things. It was kind of like a free gift type thing. Reviews on this were really good. I think it had like maybe like 4 stars, something like that, and I definitely would agree with the rating. It's very good. Like I said, aside from like the shedding a lot in the front, and that's really it. was the only issue for me, was really that the shedding wasn't too good, and sometimes the lace is a little hard to like lay down and make it stick because it is just a teensy bit thick, but definitely not like screen door, like, you know, thick, just a little thick. So that it's a little hard to like press and hold down. But overall, definitely would give this hair a try, and definitely would purchase from megalooks. And if you like this review, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you would like me to do more hair reviews. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!